Hey guys, what is up? Pokesaurus here, and I recently did a quiz on Pokemon Amino, and not a quiz, but a poll, and so it was Mystic versus Instinct versus Valor. So the numbers go as following: Team Mystic with 24 votes, Team Instinct with 9, and Team Valor. Anyone notice a pattern? Anyone notice a pattern? Okay. I'm going to give you a quick moment to think about the pattern. Okay, thinking time is over, guys. So the pattern is, bro. Articuno, Moltres, and Zapdos. And then, if we take our list here and we order it, it goes uno, dos, tres in Spanish. And that also goes with the legendaries. What does this have to do with anything? I have no idea. This was just a fun little video, guys. I mean, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I don't really know what's up with this, but I feel like somehow Nintendo knew what ones would be the most popular. Personally, I like Moltres more than Zapdos, though. Zapdos is just ugly, guys. Have you seen his spiky face, dude? Ew, guys. And sure, Moltres looks like a burnt chicken, but he doesn't look like a freaking... Dude, I don't even know. I mean, Jolteon is technically my favorite evolution, but seriously, dude, just it kind of looks good on Jolteon actually, but it does not look good on a bird, dude. His face though. Here, look, I just found a picture. Here, this is the one I'm going to be using. There, dude, it's just not cool, bro. Yeah, that's just about all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like,